Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BUSD from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your BUSD assets securely, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super handy for transactions, and Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana-based assets, so this could be a game changer for your crypto journey. First things first, make sure you have your Crypto.com account set up and verified. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select BUSD from your asset list. This is where the magic starts. Next, hit the Withdraw button for BUSD. You'll need to choose the right network. Go for Solana, SOL, since Phantom Wallet primarily supports it. Double-check this, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Now, grab your Phantom Wallet address. Open your Phantom app, go to the Receive section, and copy the address to your clipboard. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Before you confirm, verify everything twice: your wallet address, the amount, and the network. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, head back to your Phantom Wallet app and refresh to see your BUSD arrive. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. If you run into issues, Crypto.com's support or community forums can be a big help. That's it for this tutorial. You've now successfully withdrawn BUSD to your Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.